This is a quick little tutorial on how to turn a cheap little diving light into a DIY floating flounder gigging light. I'll put it down in the description. I found these, it's a little 2-pack of diving lights on Amazon for 20 bucks. These can take an 18650 or it's got a little adapter for 3 AAA batteries. It comes with a little wristband and a little piece of Velcro. I recommend taking a 1-inch 45-degree angle collar. It won't quite fit in there. It almost fits in there. So what you're gonna need to do is take a drill, take this drill bit, and go ahead and ream it out. You can actually force that in there, and I'm gonna go ahead and take some glue and put it around there. Just some silicone or whatever. It's actually gonna be pressure fit. I'm just trying to add glue to make it totally sealed up so it'll float. Look at that, flush mount, baby. Pretty bright. These lights have 3 settings on them. So you turn them to turn them on and off. You see I got the 45 on. This one's about 5 foot long. My idea with it having it this long was it will actually set on the back side of my forearm. The biggest thing is this will float, guys. So you can let it sit there and float in the water and not even be worried about it running off on you. Well, keep an eye out for some footage of going out and gigging.